Comment 467 reminds you basically the 3 ways to establish similarity in triangles. There are only 3 ways, just like there are only 4 ways for congruence. There are only 3 ways for similarity. This is of triangles, by the way. And if it's not one of these 3, you just need to go back to the drawing board. I'll just remind you in this video of what those 3 ways are. One is if the 2 triangles have not just one pair of matching angles, so maybe that's equal to that, but another pair of matching angles. Because the angle sum of a triangle is 180, there's no room for these to be different. Therefore, you don't need to consider that being equal to that. So that's the double angle test. Now, if you were asked why those triangles similar, you would just say literally because there are 2 pairs of equal angles. Okay, so that's the first way. Second way is when you have 2 pairs of sides in the same ratio. So that, compared with that, has a scale factor of 1.5. Or you can do it in 2 stages, divide by 2 times by 3, or just divide this by this, get 1.5, and that's your scale factor. So that's a scale factor of 1.5. This also has a scale factor of 1.5. This becoming this involves timesing by 1.5. This becoming this involves timesing by 1.5. Sorry that my diagrams are so misleading in their size. So if you have 2 pairs of sides in the same ratio and the angle included on each triangle by those sides is equal, then that's another way to be sure that triangles are similar. And once you've established that, then you can do all sorts of stuff. So if I tell you that that's 3, that must be 4.5. But that's for another time. Okay, so that's the second way. And the third time is in fact what I was just about to, the third way is what I was about to show you. This has nothing to do with angles. This is when that compared to that has the same scale factor as that compared to that has the same scale factor of that compared to that. Now, if you are asked to give reasoning as to why those triangles are similar, you literally say these words. The ratio of all 3 sides, there are 3 pairs of sides all in the same ratio.